cooking location or what?
Different. We haven't been here for a while actually.
What are you going to cook today?
Chicken, corn and leek soup.
What's leek?
Leek is a form of onion that's a bit sweeter.
Bit sweeter, okay. Very good. A lot of people probably don't know what that is, so
This is on me now.
it's all your show today. Cool. Well, we're just going to set up. We're just here for the night. Just going to do a little test of the tent. It'll just be mainly about cooking. But this is Burrendong. So a bit of water in it after the drought. Just found a flat spot. And this will be us for the night. So we'll quickly set this up. Then we'll get cooking. Well, you'll get cooking. Pull the red thing out, just pull it out and drop. Okay. Get it up straight, hold it. Yep. Yep, that's locked into place. And wind it. You're not going to believe what we bought today. Real treat. We bought a lifter for the lid, not have to use a tent peg. What do you reckon?
About time.
Yeah, about time, I know. I forgot it every other time. So today, we should be able to get that lid off nice and easy. What are you up to, Rita?
My famous chairs.
Yeah.
Let's see, but I don't know.
Starting off well.
Open?
Yeah. Yep.
Hey.
Oh!
I had to think though.
Sit down and a thumbs up. Happy with that?
Yes.
Well done.
Think though.
Give yourself a little clap. Good stuff. Righto, this fire's starting to go. We'll start prepping some food, eh?
Yep.
So, sun's in your eyes, but what are we cooking?
Well, I normally do it at home, but this is a bit of a
Little last minute rush trip.
last minute rush trip. So I slice up one leek.
One leek. So what is a leek? Well, we did ask before, but what is a leek?
So it's a form of an onion, but I find they're a lot sweeter.
Okay, so it's like a sweet onion.
Like a sweet onion, yeah.
Okay, so that gives the soup a bit of a sweet taste, is what
so
you're saying?
you cut the bottom, and then you don't go too much past the green. It's mainly just in
So
through
just
there.
that section there is what you put in. So you slide it up like an onion. Yeah,
Yep.
okay, cool.
Yeah, in slices.
Yeah. This is totally Rita's recipe. I have nothing to do with this one. I know nothing about it.
And then I chop up some chicken.
Chicken, yeah, that's pretty straightforward. And then just some cans of corn, some stock, and that. So that's
pretty simple.
pretty
but yummy.
simple. It's going to be a cold night here tonight. Probably get down to about 2 degrees. We're close to the water. So, yeah.
Lucky for soup.
Yeah, pretty well.
Yeah.
Yeah, righto.
Alright.
Righto, we'll get chopping and go from there.
Are you my assistant today?
I am, so just cut the chicken into normal little bite sizes.
Little bite sizes?
Yep. So this, what is there? 3 major ingredients in this whole dish.
Pretty much.
So there's corn, leek, and chicken.
And chicken and the stock.
The stock, bit of oil, and just salt and pepper.
Yeah.
So,
and the rolls to.
and we have some Turkish rolls. We're going to toast them up as well. And yeah, they'll be our dunkers, won't they, in the soup?
They will be.
Because that sun has dropped.
Yep.
And so has the temperature. So
We'll need the soup.
We'll need the soup. We're in for a cold one, but it'll be good.
Gorgeous day though.
Ah, unreal. So a bit of oil.
Bit of oil to start off with.
Yep, get it hot. Then we sort of just brown the chicken in there.
No, I'm Leek first.
Leek goes first, see? Not my recipe. Definitely not my recipe.
Chicken is actually...
Maybe you should go here and I'll go over there.
Chicken is actually last.
Chicken is last, okay. Is that because it makes it softer?
No.
No.
No. You need
I'm just going to stay out of it. We'll just let Rita cook and I'll stay out of the camera.
Are we ready?
Yeah.
So, Leek.
Leeks first.
Yep. We brown them off.
Brown them up. Yep, just like onions.
Yep. We
Yep.
put the stock in.
Stock goes in second.
Pepper and salt.
Yep.
You just let that kind of boil a little bit.
Yep, till it's bubbling.
Yep. And
Yep.
then we add the corn
Yep.
until that's bubbling again.
Yep, and then the chicken
And
goes
then
in
the
last.
chicken goes in last and you've got to watch it for about 2 to 3 minutes.
Yep.
Because with the hot of the soup, it cooks the chicken.
Yep. Okay, well I would have done it the opposite way around, so that's why this is your recipe. Righto.
Alright. Put a bit of salt and pepper. Not too much salt.
So,
Oops,
oh, you
sugar.
got to get down in there, mate. It's a bit of wind about. Here's some rattly old two-strokes behind you there on the water. About to head out for a night fish or something, I'd say. You said not much.
That's pepper.
So plenty of pepper.
Plenty of pepper, but not much salt.
Yep.
Because that's I find in the stock there's plenty.
Okay.
And the corn.
Yep.
So only just a little. And that's
Yep, bit of
about it.
salt. Yep.
You can always top it up as you.
Okay, lid on.
Yep.
Okay, now the holder. We have the holder. Beautiful.
You just let that kind of brown up a bit.
Brown up for about 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Cool. Got some boats behind us there. Yeah, beautiful. Are you right to go?
Mm-hmm. So you can see how they're caramelised. Now we just add the whole thing of the large chicken stock.
Whole thing. Yeah, okay.
Whole thing.
Yep, so how big's that? Half a litre?
I will tell you in a minute.
It looks like a litre.
That's a litre.
It's a litre, so a litre of chicken stock. Yeah, okay.
Then you bring that to boil,
Yep.
but you stir it a bit before you bring it to boil.
Yeah.
And then you just leave that to boil. You'll have it if I don't.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Beautiful. How's that? Nice and cold?
Very cold.
A bit cold before your warm soup. I need every bit of this soup tonight, I think.
Oh.
I think we overstoked the fire a little bit too much there. That's what you do when it's cold.
Yep. We forgot
So corn goes in now.
corn goes in now.
How's the heat?
Yep. I'm nice and warm.
At least your food will cook quick now.
Yeah, I know.
Cook this in 10 minutes now. So 2 of them.
2 of those.
Yep.
Because I love corn. And you've got no choice. So you just stir that pretty
Yeah, okay, and it breaks
fair
up
bit.
in there.
Yeah.
Okay.
See how, and it thickens it up.
Yeah, okay. Oh, yeah, yep. So that's sticking that up.
Yeah.
Sort of like what gravy does.
Yeah.
Yeah, righto.
Because it's cream corn,
That's
not
cream.
just...
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
So this doesn't need to boil, and only probably about 2 minutes.
Yep. Then you put the
mixed in.
chicken in.
And then you put the chicken in, but you do have to stir the chicken. Well, I find. I
Yeah.
like to.
Very good. So we've got enough flame there to cook it again 2 times over, I think.
Yep.
Beautiful night though.
Yeah.
Good location. Sun's just going down. Bit of a pink sky. Yeah, quite nice.
See how it's cooking?
I don't know too much about this dish, but the chicken's in, all the ingredients are in. We've got a lot of flame. And yeah, so what now, just 5 minutes?
Then you just let it rest for 5 minutes
Yeah.
once the chicken's cooked, because as you can see,
Yeah.
chicken's cooking.
Yeah, we'll show that in the finished product. So you don't leave the top in anymore. We just stir the chicken till it's cooked. You
Yep.
just check it. It's cooked through. It's white all the way through.
I'm a bit funny with chicken, but I like to double check.
Absolutely. Oh, it smells good. Yeah. So it even looks like the sun's gone down quick today. We did cook that. If you cook that straight out, it'd only take you under half an hour if you wanted to cook it quicker with better flames. We're a bit ordinary on the flames, so if you wanted to cook it a lot quicker than that, you could.
Yeah. So pretty much just let it stand.
Let it stand. So we'll let that sit there for another minute or so. Then we'll take it off. We'll soak the fire up, and we'll set it and we'll serve it. Done. Beautiful. Look at that. Geez, it toasts some nice. A little bit more there, and
Nearly done.
we'll serve it up, eh?
Yep.
Oh yeah. Ooh.
Smells alright.
Yeah, that looks good.
And I forgot to mention we put 2 chicken breasts in there.
2 chicken breasts?
Yeah, that's
okay.
all. But if you need a bigger bulk, you just,
Yeah.
yeah,
This is a 4-quart camp oven, so it pretty well fills it,
yeah,
nearly.
just perfect.
So it would feed, I reckon,
Yeah.
4 or 5 people. So that's a full bowl. So yeah, that would definitely feed, 2 of them, and you'd be looking for a sleep, I reckon. Oh, it doesn't get much better night than this.
I
Beautiful.
know. Excellent.
Cool.
Then we get the bread roll.
So, yep, they go in there like that, and
Yep.
bit of a spoon. And that is your camping food done.
And you're nice and warm.
And you're nice and warm. Okay, well,
I hope you like it.
well, hopefully I like it. I have had it before, but I haven't had it out camping before though, so it's it's always different camping food, and it's cold outside, so here goes nothing. Like a party's in my mouth, and everyone's invited.
You kept him in suspense there.
Well, I couldn't. Be a long trip home tomorrow if I said it was no good. I'd be sleeping out on the floor, not up in the tent. So anyway, that's Rita's version of chicken
Leek,
corn soup
nice and easy.
in the camp oven. So a little 4-quart camp oven. Okay, guys, that's us. Have a good night.
Keep warm.
Keep warm.
Thanks for joining us, and remember, if you like our little getaways, please like or subscribe to our page Unpro Adventures.